Okay, Gabby, thanks. Tonight, a Scottsdale couple is accused of being at the center of a $900 million healthcare scam that targeted dying hospice patients.
The Department of Justice said that the suspects used a large chunk of that money to fulfill their lavish lifestyle. 12 News journalist Chase Golightly is joining us live in Scottsdale outside of one of the homes that the authorities say they purchased with that money. Chase?
Caribe Market's a beautiful $6 million home that sits right next to Camelback Mountain, but while the lights are on, the owners aren't home. That's because they were arrested and charged with fraud. They're known as the Scottsdale power couple that live a life of luxury. But the Department of Justice claims all that luxury for Jeffrey King and Alexandra Gerke came from the pockets of the taxpayer in a massive healthcare scheme that lasted 2 years. According to this federal indictment, the couple, through companies they owned, caused nearly $1 billion worth of fraudulent claims to Medicare, targeting terminally ill hospice patients by giving them unreasonable and unnecessary skin grafts. The document claims some patients died the day of the procedure.
It is outrageous. And it's really disgusting.
Dana Kennedy, the Arizona director of AARP, has covered countless Medicare fraud cases before, but has never seen anything like this.
The fact of what they did with the money is also outrageous.
She's talking about the $330 million King and Gerke reportedly received in illegal kickbacks. Money prosecutors say was used to fund their lavish lifestyle, including the purchase of this Scottsdale home. Neighbors tell me they didn't know much about the couple, just that they moved into the $6 million home a few months ago. But what they did notice is all the luxury cars they had parked in the driveway, like a $300,000 Ferrari and multiple high-end Mercedes-Benzes that have all now been seized, including their Scottsdale home, another home in Tempe, high-end watches, gold bars, jewelry, and $52 million taken from multiple bank accounts, leading to a grand total of more than $70 million seized. For the Scottsdale couple, it ended at Phoenix Sky Harbor. Authorities say they were just about to board a flight heading out of the country when they were finally arrested. Now, the big question tonight is, where's the rest of the money? Well, prosecutors addressed that, saying that there's still tens of millions of dollars that they haven't yet seized, and it's actually still in the possession of these suspects. So when one of them asked to be released from jail ahead of their trial, prosecutors said, no, that shouldn't happen. They're a major flight risk because they still have that money. And also, when authorities were searching the belongings, they found books on how to disappear and also how to delete your digital footprint. We'll continue to follow this case as it develops. We're in Scottsdale tonight. Chase Golightly, 12 News.